が揺れる夜の魔法みんなを連れる
As a lifelong Super Mario fan, visiting Super Nintendo World at Universal Studios Japan was truly a dream come true. For years, I had played the games, collected memorabilia, and imagined what it would be like to step into Mario's colorful world. Today, that dream finally became reality. You must watch until the end so you don't miss any moment in Super Nintendo World and Donkey Kong Country. Every second of the journey is filled with excitement, from the first step into the Mushroom Kingdom to the final walk through the Jungle Adventure Zone. The excitement started the moment I entered the iconic green warp pipe. As I walked through the tunnel, I could already hear familiar sounds from the games. Then suddenly, the entire Mushroom Kingdom opened up before my eyes. It felt as if I had been transported directly into a Super Mario game. Everywhere I looked, there were moving coins, spinning question blocks, piranha plants, Goombas, and towering castles. The vibrant colors, cheerful music, and incredible attention to detail created an atmosphere that was both magical and nostalgic. It was impossible not to smile. Seeing Mario, Luigi, Princess Peach, and Bowser's castle in real life was an unforgettable experience. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore Nintendo fan, Super Nintendo World is a place where childhood memories come alive. From thrilling rides to interactive challenges and exclusive merchandise, every corner is packed with excitement and adventure. For me, this wasn't just a theme park visit, it was a journey back to my childhood and one of the most memorable moments of my trip to Japan. One thing that immediately caught my attention was the incredible crowd inside Super Nintendo World. The moment I entered, the area was buzzing with energy and excitement. Everywhere I looked, visitors were taking photos, collecting virtual coins, interacting with the power-up bands, and queuing up for the famous attractions. Despite the large number of people, the atmosphere felt lively and joyful rather than overwhelming. Families, couples, and Nintendo fans from all around the world shared the same excitement of finally stepping into the Mushroom Kingdom. You could hear laughter, cheers, and familiar Mario music filling the air, making the experience feel even more immersive. One of the highlights of my visit was seeing Mario and his brother, Luigi, right there in Super Nintendo World. The moment they appeared, crowds quickly gathered around them, and everyone was excited to take photos and wave hello. Taking photos with Princess Peach was also incredibly popular, with a long queue forming almost constantly throughout the day. Fans of all ages were patiently waiting for their turn, excited for a chance to meet the beloved princess in person. Seeing Princess Peach standing gracefully in her iconic pink dress felt just like stepping into the game. She was warm, friendly, and always smiling, making every interaction feel special and memorable. The atmosphere around her meet and greet area was filled with excitement, laughter, and cameras flashing everywhere.
Should we take a picture together?
Sorry. Okay. Okay.
这个哦，他不会走哎。我第一次要第一。
OK， 可以找吃。
不是特别疼哎。
OK， 有什么地方可以买吃的？您按快点保盖，要买给你们的。 来去里面哦，来，去里面吃，吃。哦，sorry。走啦，去吃啦。哦，东京宫。然后你
看那个狗狗还在哪里呀？
Don't forget to explore Donkey Kong Country as well. It adds a whole new layer of excitement to the Super Nintendo World experience. Walking into this area feels like stepping deep into a wild jungle adventure, completely different from the bright and colorful Mushroom Kingdom. The atmosphere suddenly changes as you hear tribal beats, jungle sounds, and see towering trees, ancient ruins, and minecart tracks running through the scenery. It feels more rugged, adventurous, and full of mystery. Every detail is designed to make you feel like you are inside a Donkey Kong game. Seeing Donkey Kong in real life was such a fun surprise. His big, friendly presence and playful movements made him stand out, just like in the games. Fans were smiling, waving, and holding up their cameras as they tried to capture the perfect shot. The queue to take photos grew quickly, showing just how popular he is among visitors. Despite the crowd, the atmosphere remained cheerful and full of excitement, with everyone patiently waiting for their turn. Longer gave me the chance to watch how people interact and play the themed drums inside the area. It was really fun to see visitors, especially children and families, getting fully involved in the interactive experience. Every drum hit triggers sounds, lights, and reactions from the surrounding environment, making it feel like you are actually inside a game world. People were laughing, cheering, and trying different rhythms just to see what would happen next. Yes, it's also the perfect time to spend some time and money exploring the merchandise stores inside Super Nintendo World. After all the excitement of meeting Mario, Luigi, Princess Peach, and Donkey Kong, stepping into the shops feels like continuing the adventure in real life. The stores are filled with colorful and exclusive Nintendo merchandise that you can only find here. From Mario hats, plush toys, power-up bands, shirts, mugs, and limited edition collectibles, everything is designed to make fans feel like they are bringing a piece of the Mushroom Kingdom home.